Today, we're going to build the best pup house ever for our friends. I've brought the building supplies. Let's reuse and build. The construction pup is here to be our boss.
Here's the plan. First, we build the main walls.
Okay, let's build the walls strong. Tape it here and here. Good job! The base is solid. Every house needs a window to see out. Let's add a second floor. And now for the roof, to keep it dry.
I saved the best part! A super fast slide!
We built the best pup house in the world. The slide works. They love their new house. Building together is so much fun. Subscribe to see what we build next. Bye-bye.